They are the same color, spiced parmesan. They're both the same color, but the lot numbers are different. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Amara, and today we are doing something different. We are going yarn shopping at my second favorite place to shop yarn, which is Hobby Lobby. So I have 2 blanket orders to make, and the colors that I need, I want to believe that I will get them from Hobby Lobby. I don't have it from the bulk purchase that I just did from Alibaba. The particular colors the client wanted, I want to believe I'll find them in Hobby Lobby. If I don't find them in Hobby Lobby, that means I'm going to Michael's. Those are the 2 places that I have my chances of getting those 2 exact colors. So let's go. So it's been a while since I went to Hobby Lobby. I think since this year. I don't believe I've shopped yarn from Hobby Lobby since this year. I've gone to Joanne before they closed. I think they're closed now. I did buy some. There are some favorite colors that I really use most times that I did buy from Joanne just in case they were actually closing. And it happened that they did close. So today we're going to Hobby Lobby. I want to believe my store is one of the stores that are really packed. So yeah, they got lots of boxes up there. They have every color in stock. I want to believe they have every color in stock. If you're buying yarn in the store, always check the lot number. See, there is this number here. It's called lot number. I'm gonna grab one real quick. So look at that. See, you always want to check the lot number for every color you're buying. Even if you're getting the same colors, they might not have the same exact lot numbers. So you want to make sure you are getting the same one. So like look at now. Yes, this is perfect example. So look at this lot number. It is 652266, and this one is 66422. They are the same color, spiced parmesan. They're both the same color, but the lot numbers are different. If I take this outside the natural light, you might see a slight difference between these 2 colors. So that's why I always check. If once I start picking out my colors now, I'm going to check to make sure that all the colors that I'm picking have the same lot number. I really like this truffle. Then this is top. My neutral tone blanket, I always get questions where I get the yarn from. The yarn that I used to make it was actually from the bulk order that I got from from Alibaba. But you can always use this spa blue from you can use this spa blue and teal. You can use spa blue and teal. Then for the cream color, you can use ivory for the cream, or you can also buy that one on Amazon. So those 2 colors, and then the light gray. I also use the light gray. So those are the 4 colors. You can use either white or ivory. Then this light gray, the spa blue, and this teal. So those are the colors I would say you should use. Now time to start adding to cart. Okay, so I'm done shopping and just looking around in the store to see if I see something I would grab that I didn't plan for. But you never know when you can find something really cool in the stores. So for some reason they have their 4th of July decoration, or is it Memorial Day? I don't know which holiday. There is a holiday coming up next month. I think it's Memorial Day. So they have their stuff out on the aisle. Oh, I got about 15 skeins of yarn. That is more than I needed, but I'll have to I love to have extras just in case it's not enough. So now we're gonna go check out. Okay, so we are done at Hobby Lobby. I did get some colors. One color on the blankets that I want to make, I couldn't figure out what color that is, but we got 15 skeins of yarn, and yes, there was sale, so we got 15 skeins of yarn for $83.85. And of course I had to grab me some sneaker bears. I got two sneaker bears, and we came up to a total of $96.39. That's how much we spent today at Hobby Lobby. So I got mostly four colors actually, I think. So I got the light gray. This is light gray. So I picked a few of this. Then this blue is called country blue. I got this country blue. Then there's another shade of blue that I got. This is called, oh, this country blue also. Wait, um, this is it. So this one is called Nice to See Blue. So it's a bit lighter than this one. You can see the difference. So those are the three colors. Then I grabbed just one skein of white. I did grab one medium gray. Yeah. So those are the colors that I got, but I kind of mixed it up to have the quantity that I need that will be enough for the blanket that I'm making. I am aiming to use about 10 skeins for that. So the other color, I'm just going to wing it because it's just a few rows, maybe like two rows. I think it's about 6 or 8 rows in it. So I'm just going to use another color that is looking really similar to the color on the blanket, because the client sent me a blanket and wanted me to make that blanket for her. I think she got the picture on the internet, maybe on Facebook or somewhere. So I'm just going to use another color in place of that one that I'm not sure of. So there is another blanket I do want to make. I have most of the colors from, it's just three colors. It is black, dove, and there is another shade of blue. It's really, really light. It's lighter than these two that I have. It is very, very lighter than these two. It is even lighter than spa blue. So I'm going to go to Michael's to see if they have that shade of blue at Michael's. Okay. So I'm going to go to Michael's. Today is yarn shopping. Let's go to Michael's. If you're serious about our guest having us, so we're offering $25 of savings. I might end up having to order these online because I don't know. These store they rarely have any sales at the store. I have no idea why. They do have a good collection of colors though, but they rarely have sales. Like I can't imagine paying this much for just one skein of yarn. That is too much. But even the color that I'm looking for is not here. Like this is probably the color on the blanket that I was looking for, but I'm going to substitute it with the other one that I got from Hobby Lobby, like the Nice to See blue. Yeah, they really look close. So this is another shade of blue. This one is Adaptic blue. But the blue I'm looking for right now is very, very light. Like it's very, very light. I don't know if it is this one. What is this one? Sky. Probably the sky because it's very, very light. It's probably this one. Uh, these are all the colors that they have in store. But I can't for the life of me figure out why they are always at full price. They don't have any discounts or any sales. This is a really nice purple moonlight. And this lilac is so pretty too. Yeah, this is lilac. It's really, really pretty. Like look at these two colors. They go together so well. And they have all these ones. And they are not having any sale, or even on the cuddly ones, they don't have sales. I'll probably have better luck online than in the store. So I'm gonna go home and see if I can order them online. I don't know how to crochet, but this is really pretty. If I do crochet, this is really, really pretty. But yeah, so I guess I'm gonna have to go home and order the yarn online. Maybe I'll get a good deal online. The color I'm looking for is more like this. It's very light like this. What color is this? Oh, this ones, the colors are numbers. They don't have names. They're numbers. So, but the color that I'm looking for is in this really light blue. So, yeah. So that's a bummer, kind of not seeing the color, the exact color that I want. And then they are not having any sales in the store. I don't know why they don't have any sales. So I'm going to go home and check online. Maybe I'll see sales online. And that ends our yarn shopping trip for the day. At least I got most of the colors that I wanted from Hobby Lobby. So this second one that I want to make, it's not like urgent that I need to make it like right now. So I can go home and see if I can order it online. Maybe I'll order this sky. I'll order this sky and see. It looks like it. It looks like the color that I need to use. But I'll go online and see if I can get it cheaper. Even if it's 1 cent cheaper online, it is better. So I'm gonna go home now. I'm close to the house. I'm gonna go home and get some rest and start knitting. Thanks for watching. Let me know if you enjoyed my mini vlog. I'm so shy carrying my tripod out in the public. But let me know if you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you on the next one.